Could that be?
Ready, Freddie? Here you
Big.
think it? Here it comes.
Oh,
What's that?
ooh, look at
Wow.
What is
that.
that?
I don't know.
I knew that was coming.
Isn't that the thing you play with at Dr. Jada's?
Uh-huh.
What is it?
Marble.
Yeah.
Wow, what a great gift.
Yeah, you stack up the blocks, and the blocks make a path for the marbles, and they roll through it.
How
Oh,
fun.
that'd
He
be
wants out
fun.
you marbles.
Isn't that
Now
neat?
what?
Now what else do I get?
That's a great gift. You got some really good gifts today.
Okay.
It's not as good as the
This
level.
one's a big gift too, even though it doesn't look like it. Open this up. Take all the paper out and see what's in it.
You mean he has already done that?
Oh, I forgot. Oh, you changed back.
Oh.
Ah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
And then there's something else in there too.
And Lucy, and I'm
What
like, what did I put
does-
in there?
What does that say?
I don't want.
Oh, you better read it.
I don't
It
want
It's your
looks
big,
something
big
good.
gift.
Very.
soccer.
Soccer! You want to get a soccer? You can
Hey.
get a soccer team.
Wow.
Oh,
Fun.
That's just what I want.
I know. You're going to be on a soccer
Yeah,
team.
what a lucky boy.
You ready for your other big gift?
Another one?
This is a really big
This is
one.
a really big one.
Ooh, what is that?
Wow.
You want to open it or you want to open it?
I want you to open
All
it.
right, here we go.
Is it, Aiden?
Oh.
What's this?
I just saw
Oh, that is nice.
That is beautiful.
But
Yeah.
whoa,
Ah.
big guitar.
That's how Glenn Campbell felt when he got his first guitar.
You like it?
Ooh, I hear music.
My friend Scott said that he'll teach you how to play it. What do you think about that?
But I already know.
I heard your music.
He'll help you get
Very
better.
good.
That's not helpful,
He doesn't
Nana.
need help. He's got it down.
Do you know how many?
How many what?
Strings.
I got 1, 2,